Welcome to the Ryver Task Management overview. We're going to start with Personal Tasks, which is available for free to all Ryver users with the Team Communication service. Before you get started, you need to set up a layout for how you would like to view your tasks. Ryver provides a number of templates from which to choose from, including a couple of personal productivity templates that would be great for personal tasks. But for this video, we're going to do a custom setup. And I'm going to start out with a simple list mode, and later on I'll show you how task boards work in Ryver. After selecting Task List for my view mode, I can click New Task and start entering new tasks in rapid succession. I'm in a quick add mode right now, so it's really easy to add a number of tasks quickly. Now at some point you might want to add more details to a task. Click the icon with the upward facing arrow to jump out of quick add mode and into the full Create Task view. Here you can add a description with formatting, and there are a number of other options on the right side. You can add due date, tags. We're going to add a checklist here with a number of sub-items that need to be done for this particular task. Let's jump right back into this task and click to edit it, and I'm going to add a file attachment. Now I can just drag this from my desktop and put it into the edit view, and I'm going to save the task again, and now I can go up and check off the first checklist item that I had for this task. Next, I want to reorder a couple of the items in my task list. I can do this by simply dragging and dropping right from the list. Now I'm going to add some visual cues to help me quickly identify certain types of tasks. I'm going to edit the task again and select Add Tags. The Tags field allows me to enter one or more alphanumeric strings that get attached to my task. Actually, while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and add a due date to this particular task. We'll make use of this a little later in the video. Now I see the tags when I'm looking at my task list, but it would be better with some color. I can do that from the ellipsis menu at the top by choosing Manage Tags. This brings up a view that lets me enter a set of tags in appropriate colors to display them in, and it also serves to offer me a set of suggested tags when I'm entering new tasks or editing existing tasks in the future. That's much better. Now when I edit another task, my two suggested tags are just one click away below the Tags field. You can also access Manage Tags from the gear icon next to the Tags field. Here I'm just going to add one more tag to my list. Let's say we want to filter our list down to just show a subset of the tasks. We can do that with the Filter Tasks option in the ellipsis menu. Here in the sidebar we can choose to highlight matching items or only show the ones that match the filter. You can filter on tags, due date, whether or not the task has been completed. You can hide the filter panel and work with your list, and once you're done you can clear the filter to get all of your tasks back. Now I'm ready to work my task list. I can click the checkbox on a task when I'm done with it. If I'd like to remove the completed tasks, I can archive those completed tasks, remove them from the active view. Now why archive them and not delete them? Because here I'm coming into the archive view and unarchiving, and now I've got my task back. So it's not a permanent removal or a permanent deletion. We do have that option though. Now let's see how using a task board instead of task list can enhance our experience. From Task Setup, you can choose to go to Board mode. Now our tasks are displayed as cards within category columns. I've created a column called Incoming, which I'm going to move all my initially uncategorized tasks into. Now I'm going to add another category that's going to be for tasks I'm doing today. Finally, I'll create a Done category, and I can mark this category as a special completed category where any tasks moved there are automatically completed for me. So here we see a couple of tasks getting dragged into today's list of things to do. And when I drag to done, you see the text get crossed out and that task has been completed. Categories have their own ellipsis menu with options like archiving the tasks just in that category. While task boards can be great for your personal task management, the real power comes when you enable team tasks for your organization. Your administrator can upgrade to a 14-day free trial. And now we're cooking. Create project teams and use the task board to manage your workflow. Assign tasks to one or more people. Pass the task along from one teammate to another to progress it towards the finish line. That does it for this overview of Ryver Task Management. In the next video, I'll show you how to take the power of tasks to the next level. Create tasks from your communication channels and quickly reference tasks when you're chatting with your teammates.